Good morning, children. Let us study here today retreating of the post-monsoon. Yesterday or the previous class we have studied the advancing monsoon, which is also known as the southwest monsoon season, which is originating from the Indian Ocean and blowing towards the southwestern region of India, entering from Kerala to the parts of India. Today this is the class. Today we are going to discuss about the retreating of the post monsoon, that is also called the transition season. That means retreating or the southwest monsoon is coming back or returning from northeastern region. So during the month of October to November, with the apparent movement of the sun towards the south, the monsoon trough of the low pressure trough over the northern plains become weaker. So this season, October to November, this season the monsoon which is moving towards the northeast is coming back or retreating. So returning monsoon, this is so southwest monsoon winds become weaker and start withdrawing gradually, so that the northeast monsoon starts here. So in the beginning of October month, the monsoon withdraws from the northern plains, northern regions, the plains of North India. The southwest monsoon is withdrawing from there, so that it begins to change its direction towards the southeast direction, from northeast towards the southeast direction, and also spreads all over the country. The months of October, November form a period of transition from hot rainy season to the dry winter conditions also. So this season we have already studied that South India, especially southeastern region, the coast of Tamil Nadu receives the heaviest rainfall, along with the coastal southeast coastal region of Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra. These regions also get heavy downpours or the showers during the retreating monsoon season. So the retreat of the monsoon is marked by the clear skies, rise in the temperature also rises. Then while this day temperature are very high, nights are also cool and pleasant. So this period, we know that different climatic conditions, nights are very cool but days are hot also. The land is still moist because of the rain. The atmosphere become more moisture or humid, we can find out in the atmosphere. So this condition, we know that weather becomes oppressive during the day, and some period we know that this is commonly known as October heat. November is the October heat, because the day temperature is hotter and night temperature is colder. So during the daytime temperature becomes hotter also, so that this is known as the October heat. In the second half of the October, the mercury begins to fall rapidly in the northern India. That means it begins to winter season starts there, so that it becomes very colder. The temperature is dropping very lower. The low temperature conditions, we know that the pressure conditions over the northwestern India is transformed or to the Bay of Bengal by early November, so that the shift is associated with the occurrence of cyclonic rainfalls. We know cyclonic depressions occur which originates over the Andaman Sea. Now this is the season of cyclonic rainfalls. We know that South India is experiencing the cyclonic rainfall, because the cyclonic depressions occur in the or originate in the Andaman Sea. So these cyclones generally cross the eastern coast of India. What are the states lying in the eastern coast? In Tamil Nadu, extreme south Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, then West Bengal. These states are all lying on the eastern coastal regions of our country. These regions gets the heavy and widespread rainfall, causes also large destruction. Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, even Tamil Nadu regions gets the heaviest destruction also during this period. So these are the thickly populated deltas of the Godavari and Krishna river. Then Kaveri also large population or dense population we can find here. So because of this cyclonic rainfall, heavy destruction to the life and property occur in this region. So great damage to life and property. So sometimes these cyclones arrive at the coast of Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh also. Adjoining region of Bangladesh also experience a heavy downpour or heavy rainfall and large scale destruction also. So the bulk of rainfall in the Coromandel coast is derived from the depression and cyclones. So cyclones and depressions which is occurring in the oceans are causing the cyclonic rainfall in these regions. We know that Coromandel coast, the South India, southeastern part of India is known as the Coromandel coast. So these regions experience heavy rainfall in the retreating monsoon season and also great loss or damage to life and property. In the next class we will study about the distribution of rainfall and how monsoon affects the climatic conditions and the economy of our country.